Once you've logged into the PowerAdSpy dashboard, locate the Reddit icon on the left side of the screen. Click on it to explore the latest Reddit ads. At the top of the screen, you'll spot the search bar. Here, you can explore ads using 3 powerful options: search by domain, advertiser, or keyword. Right below the search bar, you'll find the search by options, where you can discover ads based on criteria like text and image, brand and image, object and image, or celebrity and image. Next, you'll come across the sort by option. This allows you to filter ads by the number of likes, where you can set a minimum and maximum range to view ads that fit within your specified engagement levels. You'll also find the filter option, which lets you refine your search further based on call to action, country, ad type, and language. In the Land or Properties section, you can refine your search by choosing from options like affiliate networks, e-commerce platforms, funnels, or marketing platforms, etc. Let's try an example. Go to the search bar and enter the keyword games. Once you hit the search button, you'll see a variety of ads related to your selected keyword. Then, in the Sort By section, set the range from a minimum of 500 likes to a maximum of 900 likes. Here are the results from our search. For more detailed insights, click on the Show Analytics icon. Here, you'll find valuable insights like the initial and final URL, social engagement metrics, first seen and last seen dates, post date, ad language, and domain registration date. Finally, scroll down to view the targeted countries for your selected ads.